Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how you can make alarm clock in Python. So this is first we are gonna import date time, and then we are gonna import time, and then we are gonna import sys, and then for math we are gonna import flow. So we are gonna create this variable. We're gonna ask the question that at what time the user wants the alarm at, and we are gonna ask him either he wants the time in AM or PM, and we are gonna create if then colon, so it will break down and split and make a list for it, so otherwise it's going to be a wrong format. So target hours is going to be the first part and target minutes is going to be the second part. So if target hours equals 12, am pm dot lower is equal to am. So which this means that am is which means that the time is in am, and we're gonna mention that, and we're gonna add 0 hours. Similarly, we are gonna add 12 hours if it's pm, and then we are gonna create another statement. So the current time value is going to be the real date and time which we are going to take in a second. So since we want our alarm clock to calculate a second, we're going to take the base time to be second, and when this base time is going to be in second, we can easily convert all the units which are hours, minutes and seconds into seconds. So that's going to create our target hours and the time. So we are gonna subtract it, and it's gonna be that simple. So then we mention hours, and we are gonna float it so that we don't get the or any of the units. We are gonna float all of them so that we don't get them in decimals. After this, we are gonna create a loop. uh, so let's start our loop. We are Before that, we're gonna create a small we are gonna create a small statement that if alarm is gonna be like 0, which means if we are having 2 days extra or 1 day extra, then which means that timer cannot run more than 1 day. So if it's gonna be that, so alarm cannot understand that. But after this, we are gonna create the loop. We are gonna set up this loop, and we are gonna print minutes and seconds. Then we are gonna wait for 1 second. So this loop runs every second and updates every second, and we are gonna subtract each second every time. So this is how it's gonna go. So when every second reaches -1, which is it reaches 0, then it goes to 69. Okay, so after that we have one more for minute. So if minutes reach -1, it becomes 59 instead of -1. Similarly, to end our alarm, if we reach seconds equals to 0, minutes equals to 0, and hour equals to 0, then we can simply do this. We can end and quit the alarm. We put alarm sirens. So when I made the previous video, I had many requests about the adding of music or adding of alarm sound when the timer was made. So if you have to actually add the sound in your program, you just have to go to the top and import. After max flow, we have to import web browser. So after you import web browser, you are gonna write web browser dot open, and we are gonna put brackets and colon. Then you are gonna go to your target folder, which is your alarm clock sound, and go to the properties and get its location, which is written in security. So you are gonna copy this full thing and paste it inside those brackets. And after this, one important thing, Python does not understand inside the colon that it does not take single colon, it breaks there. So that's why we are gonna put double colon, so that our alarm clock remains intact. And after this, we are gonna put this before quit, so that the alarm will play and then the program will quit. So let's put it there, and there you go. So our alarm is basically complete. So after this, I'm gonna play it for you. Right now you can see the time is 8:07, so I'm gonna keep it for 8:08, and after that I'm gonna keep the alarm for 8:08 and PM. There you go. You can see the seconds are going in pinpoint accuracy, and you can see everything is going just fine. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you can see the music has opened up. You can hear this sound. So yes, that was it for the video. I hope you guys understood, and I'll give the code link in the description, as well as the link of this musical inside of the description. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.